record some ambience and put it in this track.
Good morning guys, we just got to the airport. It is Friday and we're gonna go to Cape Town again. I'm so excited. We just got to the slow lounge. We wanted to come a little bit earlier because we don't stay anywhere near close to the airport, so the traffic in the morning is really hectic. So we tried to leave as early as possible this morning. So we left the house I think just after 6 o'clock and it's just after 7 now, so it took us about an hour to get here. So we're gonna get some breakfast and yeah, bring you along the next 2 days. And I think I'm gonna make this vlog 2 days. So like today traveling and everything, and then tomorrow's 𝘱𝘠𝘪 masterclass. So it's my 5th and 6th. Is it? I don't know. Yeah, I think it's my 5th and my 6th masterclass with 𝘱𝘠𝘪, and I'm so excited. And yeah, let's get something to eat. So wat het jy? Kom liefie, doen van se mukbang. Anyway, I have some overnight oats and then I have 2 little date balls and some fruit. Is jy nou klaar geëet? Wat eet jy?
Scone, jam, sausages.
Sausages. So we just got to a little restaurant by the harbour by 𝑉NA waterfront, and I got some oysters and everyone else got some seafood. And a little bit later I'm gonna go do my nails and get some things at the store, and then we're gonna go to the place we're staying at. So I'm having some oysters. Yum! Look at this view. Beautiful. Simone. Werner. Ek kan nie sien nie. We literally spent the entire day at 𝑉NA waterfront. I just had to get my toes done, so that was like my main goal, and I wanted to get dry shampoo, so I got dry shampoo and I got my toes done. We did a little bit of grocery shopping because we are staying in an apartment this week, and I'm gonna show you guys a little tour just now. I cannot wait to show you guys this place. It is absolutely beautiful. And if I had to live in my dream apartment right now, this is exactly what it would look like. It's just so beautiful. So we are staying in the little loft. It's literally the most beautiful loft I've ever seen, with the beautiful like views, and the sun is currently setting. So I was thinking of showing you guys the apartment tour quickly to show you where we will be staying at for the next few days. So I'm going to show you what the room looks like, or the loft, and then the rest of the apartment. We are in Cape Town for a couple of days with our friends. I have my 𝘱𝘠𝘪𝘴 masterclass tomorrow, so we decided to make a little bit of like a holiday out of it and just have a break, but I still want to create content and still, you know, do what I love. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what this place looks like and yeah, bring you along the rest of the evening. So this is our room. You won't be able to see much of it because the sun is literally setting right now. So this is the little living room area, and then we have our bed. Look at that sunset, you guys. Let me just see if I can get a little glimpse of that for you. Oh, that's beautiful, you guys. Okay, so this is the rest of the room. We still have to unpack, and then let's go downstairs. Okay, so this is the living room downstairs. This is the kitchen. I'm not going to show you down here, but there's another kitchen there, and then the main bedroom where 𝘱𝘬𝘳𝘪𝘴 and 𝘠𝘠𝑚𝑛𝑎 is sleeping. I just love how you can see the sunset from here. Look at this place, you guys. It's so pretty. Sorry for the lights constantly changing, but it's because the sun is setting and I just wanted to capture it for you guys. Look at that. Wat is daai?
Why? Greenpoint Stadium.
Is it? Ek wou amper sê soccer city en almal sou seker vir my gelag het. Hallo. Hey Webster. Cool dude. Waar's my gin? Amper val ek. Ek het kyk toe. Dis is 'n ledge. Hy is gaan af. Good morning. Is jy excited om my te sien present?
A movie.
Gaan 'n movie?
Yeah.
Oh.
Fine.
I fell hard to the ground. Oh, oh, you wouldn't wait for the sound. Girl, you got me searching. Know you're somewhere lurking. Try to make my way in the full moonlight. I got blood on my tongue, anxious for no reason. I just gotta find out more about you. Live and let loose now. Take a sip from the city light. You and me, we got the whole world, but let's make it our own. Strolling along the sidewalks, but you're running inside my mind. Give it all we got together, we will always survive. So baby, find me somehow. Oh, oh, though there are millions in town. Who would like to get to know you like I know you?
So masterclass 1 is done. I just had something to eat and went to the bathroom. Everyone is waiting for me, and we're gonna do masterclass number 2.
Touch you like I touched you yesterday night. I am under your spell, poison in my blood cells. You're the only drug that can save my body. Live and let loose now. Take a sip from the city light. You and me, we got the whole world, but let's make it our own. Strolling along the sidewalk.
2 masterclasses done, and now workshop 17. Yeah, we are at the watershed, and I'm doing a, can you guys see me? I'm doing a workshop on how I became a YouTuber or video content creator. So I'm like 10 minutes late because our Uber couldn't speak English, you guys. So now workshop 17.
All we got together, we will always survive.
It takes a lot to be an influencer. It takes skill, it takes passion, and the woman I'm going to introduce now has got it down to her T. She was a part of our March cover issue, and her name is Jessit van Heerden. Please give her a warm welcome with a big round of applause.
Hi guys, thank you so much for having me and that lovely introduction. I always Whenever someone introduces me like that, I'm always like, what, me?
There are times when we let it go, but we never ever want to. No, we never ever want to.
Good morning guys. Well, yes, dis nie eers môre nie, dis afternoon. Want Jessica vat ure om reg te maak, maar dis Sondag. And yesterday I had my master classes with Revlon, and then afterwards the Cosmopolitan thing. My battery died just before we left, so I didn't take much footage there. So yeah, that was really amazing, and I think I'm going to end the vlog here because I'm going to start a new one. I have no idea how much footage I have from yesterday, but I'm sure it'll be enough for one vlog. So I'm going to start a new vlog. We're going to go have lunch now, and then later today enjoy the sunset. Dis verder nie soos 'n aapbrein nie.
Living let loose.